Well, in light of the court's ruling on same-sex marriage, in light of a seismic shift in what is legal in this country over the past few months, you might be asking, if I'm a Christian conservative business owner, do I have the legal right to refuse to, say, cater a same-sex marriage wedding? Am I in trouble? Let's ask Stuart Harris. He's the professor of law at Appalachian School of Law in Grundy, Virginia, host of your weekly Constitutional. And you're once again tackling in your show on the radio on WETS-FM the Religious Freedom Restoration Act.
Yes.
What's that?
The Religious Freedom Restoration Act is on the national level. It's a federal statute, but there are also a number of state statutes that are called Religious Freedom Restoration Acts. And these all have in common the idea that they try to give people a way to get exemptions from laws in order to protect their religious beliefs.
And is that law right now federally? Are you federally protected if you're a private business owner?
Yes, you are.
And you want to say, no, I'm not going to bake a cake for your same-sex marriage
excuse
reception.
me, I answered too quickly. You are protected to some extent. And the Hobby Lobby decision, you remember from about a year ago,
remind us of that.
Hobby Lobby was where the Hobby Lobby Corporation did not want to contribute to insurance that was going to provide certain forms of contraception.
Right.
And they said that violated their religious beliefs, and the Supreme Court said, you are protected by the RFRA statute, and therefore you don't have to do it. The question now is whether that same statute on a national level or other statutes on a state level would provide similar to protection to a conservative Christian caterer or baker or somebody like that. That's the question of the day. Because in the meantime, of course, there's been all this gay rights stuff that's been going on, and gay marriage is now a constitutional right. So what happens if I want to have a gay marriage and you're the baker and this violates your religious beliefs? I might have an anti-discrimination statute on my side, maybe. Some states have them, some states don't. And you might have a RFRA on your side. So it's the battle of the statutes.
And here we go. So the court ruled that the issue of same-sex marriage was a federal issue, not a state issue,
Right.
which it had long been.
Right.
So could we be heading in the same direction of that question? Is this religious freedom really truly for a business owner of any size a state issue or a federal issue?
Yes, we could, especially if the gay rights lobby gets its way, because now they are trying to have passed a nationwide protection for sexual orientation under the Civil Rights Act of 1964. Just like what they'd like to have happen is just like a business owner can't discriminate against me if I'm black or if I'm Asian or something, the business owner can't discriminate against me if I'm gay. Now, right now, that doesn't exist. But the gay rights people want that to exist, and if it is added, now we've got a direct conflict between two federal statutes.
Here we go, a program I'm definitely looking forward to hearing. It's your weekly Constitutional on WETS-FM. It's Sunday at 3 and Tuesday at 8. Stuart, thank you.
Thank you very much, Josh.